Hello everyone, I'm Ajinkya Dalvi, a member of TWC and the host for today's session. Welcoming you all to the most awaited, exciting, Wow series. You heard it right. Wow. WOW. The words of wisdom by our TWC ambassadors. But, before make before moving on this thrilling session, do you know about TWC and our first project, education? I mean, सुना तो होगा ही क्योंकि इंस्टा लिंक्डइन व्हाट्सअप सबको पता है भाई एंड अगर आपको नहीं पता तो nevertheless because we are here the winner circle team to introduce you to create an history and be the part of this legacy. Yes, my dear writers, my poets and every CA aspirants, you heard it right. You will get a platform to share your journey, your learnings, and publish your write up at a national level by just clicking a button. So, why to wait? Jot it down, be the legacy, and wear the crown. To know more about our project, do check out our YouTube link in the description. And to align with the same thoughts, we have we have brought to you the Wow series with our TWC ambassadors to share their story and add a glory. And for the same, I'll request my teammate Purvika Nahar to officially introduce our ambassador.
Hello everyone. I am Purvika Nahar, a member of TWC, with the same vibrant energy, welcoming our today's ambassador, Ms. CA Karan Seth. CA Karan Seth is a chartered accountant and guiding more than 50,000 students in the field of taxation. He specializes in both direct tax as well as indirect tax for CA Intermediate as well as CA Final. He has been a faculty at J.K. Shah classes, and then moving beyond the walls of classroom, he started his own YouTube brand, Tax Ka Teacher, which has more than 45,000 subscribers till date, where he personally mentors and guides the students and helps them ahead, especially with the IDT chart book and OCQ. Also, currently, he is working as a prominent faculty at CA Wala. So, no more tax fear because CA current seat is here.
He's here.
As he says, हंसते हंसते कट जाएंगे IDT के रस्ते.
Now,
Yes, moving ahead.
Okay, sir. तो मैं questions के question के साथ
start
start
with
करता हूँ.
that. Yeah, that's much.
Yeah. Yeah, so before diving into a serious talk, I would like you to define CA. What is CA for you, and what does this degree mean to you?
Take care. CA is emotion box. CA was basically a speed breaker in my life. And once I crossed that path, I realized that that's how I move ahead, because I had dropped out my CA in 2015. I was just left with one group of CA final. But yeah, there were three important issues in my life. I was told I cannot teach CA final in the coaching institute I was teaching. Second, the girl that I was dating said no to me because I was not a chartered accountant. And jab shadi ki baat aayi. And third was when I used to tell my CA, students, inter CA students, that you should not give up, you should not give up. I used to feel like a hypocrite because I had already given up on CA for sale life. So CA was a speed breaker at that. But once I decided to do it again, and once I became a chartered accountant, that's where CA was like an escalator, right? My life achanak se was moving at 200 kilometers per hour, which was just moving 50 kilometers per hour. जो first gear पे थी वो सीधा fifth gear पे. So yeah.
So, what made you started teaching online after working for almost a decade in the offline circuit?
Money, money and reach. I think to be very specific, I would say that yeah, it's a different high when a teacher gets to know that एक स्टूडेंट जो जम्मू कश्मीर में बैठा है, एक बच्चा जो अंडमान निकोबार में कहीं पढ़ रहा है नहीं पढ़ रहा है या फिर कोई बंदा कलकत्ता से है, कोई अहमदाबाद से है, कोई एमपी से है, कोई दिल्ली से है, राइट, कोई चेन्नई से है. In fact, one of the craziest things that I came across was two crazy cases. One where a student was blind and the other was deaf. So I was shocked when a deaf person was actually listening to my lectures. I was like, how is that even possible? But that's how the hearing aid works. They have to look at the lip movement, and they have to at the same time, they were also watching the subtitles. So they used to actually watch my English lectures because वहाँ पे subtitle easily आ जाते थे. और वो बच्ची अभी पास हो गई यार लास्ट अटेम्प्ट में, राइट, विच इज क्रेजी, राइट. जो बंदा ब्लाइंड है वो लिटरली क्या है, गूगल ट्रांसलेटर यूज करके मेरी बुक्स को पढ़े जा रहा है बिकॉज गूगल स्पीक्स व्हेन यू टेल देम. सो आई वाज लाइक यार ये तो मैं कभी भी ऑफलाइन में नहीं कर पाता. एंड that was all crazy. All that could happen only because I had the courage to leave my job. They was paying me hefty amount. I was a co-founder there, and I decided to start from zero and start afresh. Yeah, but a lot of love and a lot of respect was received in that way, and I'm so happy for that.
Yeah. So apart from this, what are some underrated skills that CA students should have, which you feel?
I think CA aspirants are very bad at communication. Definitely, that is one thing that you all should do, and I'm glad that you all are doing this by arranging these conversations, by arranging these small podcasts. So it's great, putting up an effort. Like I really appreciate what uh, you are doing. Or what's your good name, ma'am? Akriti, right? The one in the suit.
Purvika.
Purvika, sir.
Purvika, Dhairya, Sarthak. So it takes a lot of guts to just show up in life, right? Wearing a suit, introducing someone. These are subtle skills that will make you really good communicators. And at the end of the day, it's all about communication. How do you communicate? And लोगों को बोलना ही नहीं है, ठीक है. तो गुजराती में एक सेइंग है जिसको बोलते हैं कि बोले ना बोर बेचा है. What does that mean? That means that only if you can speak, you can sell your shit, right? So I think selling is a very underrated skill. I think conversation, having a conversation per se itself is a very bad skill. Itself is a skill that unfortunately a lot of chartered accountants or C aspirants don't have. So that's something really bad. So yeah. So soft skills is my answer.
Sir, regarding the same, we have also started an initiative for CA aspirants, as we mentioned earlier. So, what are your views on the same?
It's a great initiative. So if you'll publish it tomorrow, and so there are 100 stories that will have, right? I think, if I'm not wrong, of C aspirants who are chartered accountants, or say C aspirants who have done good in life, or they move ahead. So it's a very good initiative, because if there are some life stories that can give courage, hope, and can inspire action in someone, then there's something really good that you're doing.
That's just great, sir. But apart from CA studies, we have our articleship students. We have our articleship journey too. And here I can see there are many articleship students. So there was a question like, should we opt for core specialization during in the GST domain during my articleship? Because I do enjoy GST while studying, but will it pay me after becoming CA? So that's
So
my question.
ideally, expertise is what you all should aim. Certainly, you should, especially now when your articleship is just for 2 years. So try to stick to a certain domain, if possible. If not in the first year, then in the second year. Because at the end of the day, only when you are an expert of someone, you get paid. It is monotonous at the same time, right? But that's how it is, right? You will not go to teach, you will not go to learn IDT with someone who already teaches either DT, IDT, or FR, AFM, because you know that that person is just jack of all and master of none. You will rather go to someone who's only teaching IDT or who's known for IDT or who makes a lot of videos on IDT. So yeah.
Yes, sir. Moving ahead. You have already done so much. You have taught 50,000 plus students, created a community, simplified tax for all of us. What's next for you? Any new goals, exciting projects lined up for you?
Next is I'm thinking of becoming a father. I think there's a lot that I've done professionally. Time to go on, do something personal. So that is something that I'm envisioning with my wife, who's also a chartered accountant. So yeah, certainly that. And what else? Yeah, I would love to teach you all guys in CA final. Really looking forward to join Physics Wala, where my course is just available for 4,000. Yeah, and you are getting colored books, you are getting Viva sessions, and I'm promoting my course here, where you were expecting me to promote first. So yeah, I mean, the next thing. By the way, the next thing is actually that of lately I've started playing a lot of sports. So I'm playing badminton a lot of these days, and that's something really near to my heart. Uh, can't spend a day without it. So I'm taking coaching. So that's something really crazy. And I'm starting my social media handle again. So the 55,000 subscribers that I have on Instagram, yeah, let's bring it to 1 million now. Let's go. Let's go, guys.
ग्रेट सो सर आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन लाइक कि जैसे ग्रुप वन में अकाउंट्स देखे अकाउंट्स बहुत बढ़िया गया और फिर लॉ में एकदम बुरा पेपर गया और फिर घर आने के बाद टैक्स की तैयारी नहीं हो पाती है तो उस चीज से कैसे डील करें मतलब ये अगले पेपर की तैयारी नहीं कर पाते फिर ऐसा होता है
यार ये तो मेरे साथ पर्सनली हुआ है तो मैं इतना ही बोलूंगा कि यार it is really sad when you do that because I still remember I had a very bad ISKA paper and the next paper was costing and I literally fucked up in costing. Trust me. Okay, because मेरा इसका का पेपर बुरा गया था तो आई वाज लाइक राइट बिकॉज आधा टाइम तो टैली करने में चला जाता है और अपने आप को बनाने में चला जाता है कि यार नहीं 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 इसमें भी 2 मार्क नहीं 4 मार्क मिल जाएंगे यार इसमें मूड अच्छा होगा एग्जाम में बट समवेयर यू नो डाउन कि यार ये हुआ है फक अप मेरे से सो द ओनली थिंग आई विल से इज दैट डोंट थिंक अबाउट इट यार लाइक just don't indulge into that conversation because when you do that it will not stop there, it will take a lot of time and a lot of hours, so it's better to just it's easier said than done because you want closure in life. So what will happen is that you would try to just suffice your curiosity by talking to your friend or by googling or by checking the answers because तुझे भी एज अ बैट्समैन जानना है ना कि विकेट पे अभी भी तू खड़ा है कि नहीं राइट तू देखेगा पीछे के यार बेल्स ऑफ है कि नहीं है ना क्या पॉइंट है बैटिंग करने ठीक है तो वो होगा बट द लेसर यू डू द बेटर इट इज बिकॉज द एंटायर गेम इज इमोशनल फॉर गॉड डैम सी राइट एंड आई टेल यू दैट आई पास्ड इन कॉस्टिंग एंड आई फेल्ड इन इस्क तो जो पेपर से मैं डर रहा था कि इसमें फेल होऊंगा मैं वो पेपर में पास होगा और जहाँ पे मैं एक्चुअली अच्छा कर सकता था मैंने वहां पे फकअप कर दिया सो डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज यू हैव नो क्लू व्हाट आईसीएआई हैज स्टोर्ड फॉर यू जिस पेपर में आपको लगता है कि आप फेल हो गए उसमें पास हो जाओगे और जिसमें आप पास हो सकते हो आप खुद अपने किए कर्म की वजह से फेल होंगे सो वो स्टूपिडिटी मत करो कि अपने ही पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मार दिया सो अवॉइड It's crazy, yeah. 25 odd people have just gathered at what 11 p.m. at this juncture. भाई क्या करते हो ऐसा कम्युनिटी में तुम लोग यार हैं?
सर दैट्स योर फॉलोअर्स
पैसा नहीं यार मेरे फॉलोअर्स नहीं है इतने यार क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई ये आपका
अरे है
कम्युनिटी
सर
है I don't even think a lot of people know me. How many of you all know me? Raise your hands. or I've seen my revision lectures, or I don't know. I mean, I don't think so. I'm that popular, yeah, and I am very self-aware in that way. Really, 3 people? That's really nice. Good for you, man. अभी सबको हाथ खड़े करने की जरूरत नहीं, थोड़ा ऑनेस्ट भी रहो लाइफ में यार. ठीक है. I know where I am right now, and I know where I have to reach. So, chill. But even if few of them have raised your hands, I'm really happy. I hope I was able to make some difference.
Definitely,
Thank
sir.
you.
Definitely. Even when we were approaching you, कि तो there were people like कि नहीं यार करण सर का अभी तक तो call back भी नहीं आया. But then finally I received the call and you are here today. So that's
अरे
just
तुम लोग एजेंडा तो लिखो यार, सामने वाले को पता भी तो चले कि क्यों कर रहा है मैसेज तू. Always put an agenda,
exactly.
always put a WhatsApp so that the person can watch it and then he can come back to you again. अभी तू कॉल करेगा, मुझे क्या पता अभी यार तू क्यों कॉल कर रहा है. समझ. Always remember that, because if it is interesting they will call you back. Always remember.
Definitely, definitely.
Yes, sir. Good evening. So my name is Vaidehi. I just want to know that as CA students, हमारा क्या अप्रोच है कि हमने वो CA डिग्री के आगे कभी लाइफ प्लान ही नहीं की. मतलब दैट्स आवर अल्टीमेट गोल बीइंग CA स्टूडेंट, कि इसके आगे तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं कभी लाइफ में कि क्या करना है. सो नाउ दैट यू आर अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, यू आर इन्फ्लुएंसिंग सो मेनी पीपल, आप इतने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ कनेक्टेड रहते हो. सो व्हाट्स योर लाइक लॉन्ग टर्म गोल या 5 ईयर प्लान दैट आई वांट टू डू दिस? या आप जब स्टूडेंट थे तो आपने क्या आगे प्लान किया था?
देख यार, नहीं होता वो प्लान. समझ. मुझे भी नहीं पता मैं 10 साल बाद क्या करूंगा या 5 साल बाद क्या करूंगा. राइट नाउ आई एम एट अ कंपनी that pays me well, and I love my job there. There is less stress in life because I don't have to work for 10-15 hours a day. What I will suggest you all is that always remember that when you take up a job, there are two important things that you take care of. One is either you learn from that job or you earn from that job. If both, great. If either, fine. If neither, leave. So one bad thing about, I feel, CA aspirants is also that they think a lot beyond a certain point. Like I still remember a lot of my inter CA students back in the day. They will ask me questions about articleship, but they have not even cleared a group. Right? They will talk
yes,
about कि सर ये करें. भाई तू पहले ग्रुप 1 क्लियर करे यार, बकवास मत कर. तू ग्रुप 2 क्लियर कर, पहले CA1 देख. And that's how it should be, because when you plan a lot, it pressurizes you, and it also like creates a lot of irrelevant thoughts in your mind which you shouldn't have. Yes, one thing that I'll definitely tell you all is that एक स्टॉप लॉस जरूर रखना अपनी जर्नी में. राइट. कि यार मैं, जैसे मैंने रखा था कि मैंने बोल दिया था कि मैंने 3 अटेम्प्ट के बाद फाइनल CA कि आई विल ड्रॉप इट, आई विल नॉट कंटिन्यू दिस जर्नी. एंड आई ड्रॉप्ड इट when I was only left with three papers. I had actually an exemption in AFL. तो मैं तब 4 पेपर हुआ करते थे ग्रुप में, तो फिर भी मैंने छोड़ दिया. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने गाली दी है, बहुत लोगों ने बोला है क्या कर रहा है क्या कर रहा है, 3 ही पेपर है निपटा दे. मैंने बोला नहीं, तो अब तो मैं पैसा कमाऊंगा. ठीक है. तो क्लियर रहना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. और जब आप क्या है, कोई भी चीज क्विट कर देते हो ना फटाफट से, तो फटाफट से कुछ और शुरू करने का मौका भी रहता है. सो जीनियस इज नो व्हेन टू क्विट. राइट. तो ये फालतू जो मोटिवेशन रहता है ना कि यार CA आई विल बिकम इमीडिएटली, डेफिनेटली, इफ नॉट इमीडिएटली, ये सब फालतूगिरी बंद करो. एक डेडलाइन रखो और उसको रिस्पेक्ट करो कम्फर्ट में. क्योंकि अगर वो नहीं हुआ ना, तो CA बन के भी कोई फायदा नहीं है. ठीक. अगर आप 30 की उम्र में CA बन रहे हो तो वो मत करो वो सब. ओके. और प्लान भी रखो अपना थोड़ा बहुत कि भाई अच्छा चलो MBA कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. MBAs आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग इक्वली पेड वेरी वेल. सो या स्टफ लाइक दैट.
सर बट जैसे आपने अभी स्टार्टिंग में बोला कि मतलब थोड़ी लास्ट में जब आई थिंक रक्षिता ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था तो आपने बोला कि एक्सप्लोर करो जैसे आर्टिकलशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज की टेक अप द
हाँ.
अपॉर्चुनिटी जितना हो सके उतना बट इवन इफ वी टेक द अपॉर्चुनिटी हाउ डू वी गेट टू नो दैट दिस इज व्हाट वी
You
लाइक
won't.
जैसे आपने
You
बोला
won't.
कि यू लव योर जॉब
You won't, because I have figured out that for myself. I have done articulation. I have also. I'll tell you how did I figure out it. Very simple. I was a public speaker in my college, in my school, and I loved public speaking. I am a attention. I have been an attention-seeking child all my life. Yes. So you should know yourself really well. Like I love attention, right? I seek attention. In fact. मुझे ये एक ऐसा बोला जाता था बहुत बार ऐसा कि ये तो यार अटेंशन सीकर है यार. हाँ हूँ भाई मैं तो. बी अनअपोलोजेटिक अबाउट हु यू आर because that's where you will decide what you want to become. Today so many of my CA friends are doing what they are in the daily mundane job here, but my job is really fun, boss. Right? The things that I do on Instagram, the things that I do on LinkedIn, on like it's crazy when someone just tells you कि सर मैं आपकी वजह से सीए बना हूँ या सीए बनी हूँ. आप नहीं होते तो आईडीटी में मुझे नहीं इतने मार्क्स आते. It's crazy validation, boss. So I love my job. Okay. And ऐसा नहीं I get bored with it also कि एक का एक सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा के मैं भी थक जाता हूँ भाई. But then I try to find some motivation and do stuff by introducing some spice in it. So you won't be able to figure it. You won't be able to understand it. You will have to keep trying things. So keep doing that. Keep trying and keep doing certain stuff, and you realize, damn, I'm good at this, man. I can take this up. So जितना हाथ पैर मारोगे तभी जाके वो होगा और जितना फटाफट मारोगे उतना वो जल्दी पता चलेगा. The best part about Mark Zuckerberg is that he started coding when he was 14 or I don't know 12. So by the time he was already 20, he had 8 years of experience. So think on those lines. वैसा कुछ करना है.
Sure, sir, we would be working on this. Thanks a lot, sir, for your time and your efforts that you took. So I would request Ajinkya and Purvika to officially share the closing remarks and sign off on the official end.
Thank you so much, sir. The session was really insightful. Thank you for being available on a Friday night and sharing such an insightful and motivating CA journey of yours. I'm sure we all would have gained something from this session. Lastly, thank you to all the TWC team for such an active participation. Until then, stay tuned for much more such Bob series coming up with such prominent TWC ambassadors.
So, lastly, I would like to inform Karan sir that we would be giving you a gift of token and our anthology book for
क्या
being
बात
an
है?
ambassador for our team TWC team.
Do I have to pay for that?
No, no,
Oh,
You have paid your time for that, so I would be coming
अरे
personally to deliver.
exactly.
भाई एक नंबर धैर्य.